Today's lesson is multiplying fractions. There are two methods we are going to study in this lesson. The first method is by multiplying the numerators and then the denominators. These are the steps. Step number 1, multiply the numerators. Step number 2, multiply the denominators. And step number 3, simplify the fraction if necessary. Example number 1, 5 over 6 times 2 over 3. Step number 1, multiply the numerators. So we multiply 5 by 2. Step number 2, multiply the denominators. So we multiply 6 by 3. 5 times 2 is 10. 6 times 3 is 18. So this is equal to 10 over 18. 10 over 18 is not yet in simplified form. So we are going to simplify it by dividing the numerator and the denominator by their greatest common factor or greatest common divisor. The greatest common divisor of 10 and 18 is 2. So we divide 10 by 2 and 18 also by 2. 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9. So the answer is 5 over 9. Second method, by multiplying the fractions using cancellation. Let us solve the same example. 5 over 6 times 2/3. In using this cancellation method, we are going to divide a number in the numerator and a number in the denominator by their greatest common factor or greatest common divisor. In this example, we are going to cancel 2 with 6. Their greatest common factor is 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And then we multiply 5 by 1. 5 times 1 is the 5, and then 3 times 3 is 9. So the answer is 5 over 9. First method, by multiplying the numerators and then the denominators. Example number 2. 5 over 9 times 6 over 5. Step number 1, multiply the numerators. 5 times 6 is the 30, and then multiply the denominators. 9 times 5 is 45. But 30 over 45 is not yet in simplified form. We can simplify 30 over 45 by dividing 30 and 45 by their greatest common factor or greatest common divisor. If you cannot think of their greatest common factor, then you can do it this way. Use factor 3's. Think of two numbers that multiply to 30. 5 and 6, because 5 times 6 is 30. Then think of two numbers that multiply to 6. 2 and 3, because 2 times 3 is 6. So 30 is equal to 5 times 2 times 3, and then 45. Think of two numbers that multiply to 45. 5 and 9, because 5 times 9 is 45. 5 is already a prime number, so think of two numbers that multiply to 9. 3 and 3 because 3 times 3 is 9. So 45 is equal to 5 times 3 times 3. And then cancel 5 in the numerator with 5 in the denominator. Cancel 3 in the numerator with 3 in the denominator. So this is now equal to 2 over 3. Second method, by multiplying the fractions using cancellation. Let us solve example number 2 using this method. 5 over 9 times 6 over 5. Cancel 5 with 5. The greatest common factor of 5 and 5 is 5. 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. And then 5 divided by 5 is also equal to 1. Cancel 6 with 9. The greatest common divisor or greatest common factor of 6 and 9 is 3. So 6 divided by 3 is 2 and 9 divided by 3 is 3. And then multiply. 1 times 2 is 2. 3 times 1 is 3. So the answer is 2/3. Example number 3. 4 over 5 times 2 over 7. Multiply the numerators. So 4 times 2 is equal to 8. And then multiply the denominators. 5 times 7 is equal to 35. 8 over 35 is already in simplified form. So the answer is 8 over 35. We don't need the second method in this example because there is nothing to cancel. Example number 4. 9 over 5 times 3 over 4. Multiply the numerators. So 9 times 3 is equal to 27. And then multiply the denominators. 5 times 4 is equal to 20. 27 over 20 is an improper fraction. So we are going to change it to a mixed number. We are going to divide 27 by 20. 27 divided by 20 is 1. 1 times 20 is 20. And then 27 minus 20 is 7. So this is equal to 1 and 7 over 20. The answer is 1 and 7 over 20.